Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, today I'll show you how to enable or disable chat in Zoom. Sometimes when we are conducting a Zoom meeting, students or the participant are talking with each other privately through a chat. So how to disable it? Stick around, I'll show you how. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. First you will open the Google Chrome or any other browser which you use. And then you need to type here Zoom login. After you click here, you will see here zoom.us sign in. So just click on this sign in Zoom. After you click here, you will have to type your email address here and the password here. And if you don't have it, then you need to click on sign up to get the new email and password. But since we are using Zoom already, so we already having a Zoom ID and password, so we can simply write your email address here and a password here and then click on the sign in. Then we have 5 tabs on the left side, so I have to click on this last tab settings, so I'm clicking here. Then we have another 6 tabs here, so I have to click on this third in meeting basic. Now I have this option chat, private chat and auto saving chat. So these are the 3 options. I will start with the last one, auto saving chats. It means that whenever someone chats to each other or whether with a host, these chats are automatically saved without recording. So I recommend to enable it. And then there is another option, private chat. Now this is a very important option. We need to disable it because if this option is enabled, then 2 students or 2 participants can chat with each other without the knowledge of the host, means they can talk directly to each other. So we need to disable it so there is no disruption during our class. After this we have another options here, drop down 3 options here. You can directly disable the chat here. It will completely disable that chat, but I don't recommend this. Let me first tell this. We have 3 options here, everyone, host and no one. So if you click on no one, it will serve as disabling the chat, like no one can talk to anyone, only host can send the message. And then the second option is host. Now this is important because and I recommend this option because in this way the participant can send the message to the host only, and sometimes students are muted and they want to say something and the chat is also disabled completely, so they are helpless at that time. They cannot send any message to the host. So I recommend this to keep this option on. And then we have another option, everyone. In this way, if you keep this option, then the participant can discuss with each other and they can discuss with host also, send the message to the host also. But whatever message is done, that will be in the knowledge of the host. The host can see all the messages because you have turned off this feature. So I recommend to keep it on the host, and then you need to click on the save. And before clicking on the save, there are 2 more options which you can see, everyone and host. Actually, when the meeting ends, the chats are saved automatically. Since I have choose here automatic, so do you want everyone to keep the chats or only host? So I also recommend to host only, because later on if you want to see what were the messages, so you can check it easily, and then click on the save. And now your chats are completely customized. I hope this video is really helpful for you and you have understood how to enable or disable chat and customize chats also. Give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends and family as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Allah Hafiz.